So it is 15th day of my resolution. It means I have completed my last 14 days, and in my next 45 days I will upload some more videos on many random or interesting topics on which I can speak some points. But as I am going to my goal, my points are getting down. I don't have much ideas about the random topics which are coming now, because in starting I have started the journey with the help of some or very little not difficult task, very simple task like our environment, pollution and all. But as I am increasing to my 60 days challenge, I am losing all my simple points, all my simple topics on which I can speak. So I have to be more prepared, and I have to make a lot of homework for speaking in front of camera, because I don't have idea about the topics on which I am going to speak in my next 45 days. And as I said that all the simple topics on which I have some ideas, I already speak a lot. So in next my 45 or 50 days I will speak not too much. That videos will be around 7 or 6 to 10 minutes only. In my previous videos, my videos duration was going up to 14 minutes or 30 minutes or maybe 15 minutes. So in my next videos my duration will not be more than 10 minutes. So I don't know did you see my yesterday's video or not, but I have uploaded a video yesterday that was all about how the problem of global warming is increasing day by day. There are many points which are doing and affecting it. I also mentioned many points that how can we control over it, and all the problems which are increasing day by day with global warming, and there is no advantage of it. So you can watch that video. In today's video I am going to talk about the involvement and the increase of technology day by day, how technology is increasing and what it affects in adverse effect or in good effects. So let's start today's video, that is about the improvement or the technology is increasing day by day. So if we go to technology, that don't mean very big like supercomputers and all. It starts with our home. Like if we use tractor, then it's also a technology part. If we use computer, laptop and all, this also a part of technology. Because if we go to some previous year like 40 to 50 years ago, then there were no such like a lot of tractors and all these kind of things in which the people will have to use their vehicles which are manually, like they use some equipments which they join their folks or all the animals, and they used to continue this process. This was too long process, but as technology is increasing, the people are advancing, and they are using more effective tools, like they're using cultivators, rotavators through tractor, and this process is taking too much, not consuming a lot of time. Because when people were cultivating their field like 10 acre or 20 acre, it was consuming more than a week or even nearby a month. But in nowadays, when people contributes or tractor contributes to their field, then the work of 15 days or 20 days is completed in one day or in half a day. So there are many advantages of technology also. But in this field, if we come to the disadvantages, like there were many people who were getting their financial or their homes with the help of doing laborious work. But now the harvester and threshers, these all machines has come, and the employment of these laborers and all the workers who were earning through this process only, they have been got without food, and they are not been able to eat their two times food. So these are also many disadvantages. But in this field there are only many less laborers who are getting employed with the help of harvesting and all. Because in harvester there are only 4 or 5 workers are needed to work that machine. But when there were no harvesters or threshers, there were lots of laborers were using to cut the field. It really affect a lot to the laborers work. But if we see the point of view of farmer, the work has done in few days or in few hours. But when we doing that work with laborers, the work was getting a lot of time, like that duration but around 2 or 3 days, but in these days, if the season has changed and it starts raining, then all the fields and all the cultivated fields will get damaged with the help of the rain. But in nowadays, if we use thresher or harvester, then the work will done immediately and the grains will be contained and come at our warehouses or all, so there will be no problems of whether what it goes and what happens. It have some pro and cons also, because if we talk to the perspective of labors, it's a very bad process, but if we come and see the problems of farmer, then it's a good process. If we go some word to word, then in all technologies, like nowadays many tractors are coming, these are not manual. It means we can use these tractors with the help of sitting in a room or sitting and standing at a simple part, and the tractor will do his all works, its all work without doing anything, and it will do work as the farmer do. Means there will be no problem at all. This will not consume a lot of fuel also. It also requires, or it also saves the laborious work, and it also saves our money too. If we go to vehicles like car and these are also coming with manual gears also and automatic also, like the company Elon Musk Tesla. It's getting too much popular and it controls by itself with the help of its AI and advanced features. There is no need of drivers and only co-driver can sit, and they have to put their seat belt, so that in case of any accident or in case of any unconditioning things like its AI or its machine, it can harm anything, or we can't believe it totally or blindly. So we have to just sit and it will automatically go. We have to choose a destination, that where we want to go, like from here to there, anywhere we want to go, then we have to choose the destination and the car will let us drop there without any single damage or single scratch. But many videos we have seen that the Tesla and all these cars are getting diverse. If there is some vehicle which they have not introduced in it, then it will show it nothing and it will directly crash through it. So we have to also keep in mind that we don't have to believe it blindly. We also have to drive and do the use manually also. We have to sit there and don't trust it fully. If we go to some technologies, like if we go before or 30 or 40 years ago, then there were no lots of computers or laptops, so that it were many problems, like we have to maintain our records manually in copies or books. In any case, the copy or books have lost, or if they got dried or spoiled water, then these all records have gone and we don't have the idea of our credit and debit records. Then creditor will ask us, then we have given you the money but we don't have our credit records, so we cannot be able to recover our money with our creditors, and we will not be able to say them that this money is required and this money we have to take from you, because we don't have the enough records that we can ask them. We will remember some of records, like the records which are in lakhs or in much big amounts, but the records which are in thousands or in some little amounts, then we will not be able to recognize all these. So in now technologies, there are many applications like many apps, Khata Book and Khata Bahi. These all maintain or keeps records of everyday transaction, and these all will never be get died, because there are 2 or 3 options, like we can add them our mobile number or 2 mobile number if one mobile number get discontinue with some issues, or we can also add 1 or more than 1 Gmails, so that if the mobile number got lost, then we can continue or we can recover our all the data with the help of our Gmail and with recovery option. This also shows us our credit and debit balance together, and then it shows how much money we have to give him or we have to take from him. It means we can easily identify that is he our creditor or debitor or debtor. So it's easy nowadays to do these all. But if we talk to its negative points, then the work of accountants or many workers that were getting their employment with the help of this work, like they were doing the accountant job in many little companies or little businesses, then their work has gone finished. The owners are using these type of applications and they are maintaining records online, so there is no need of them, so they got again unemployed. With the help of the new technology, there are only many drivers, they have also gone restricted and they also lost their job due to these automatic cars or mini machines. So these all are the advantages and disadvantages also. now the online education is also increasing a lot. It actually increased after the COVID case, because before the pandemic the classes or the schools were continuing regularly classes. Many big institutions were using online classes for the advanced technology, but nowadays even a single coaching or is very small coaching is using online classes. That's also a new point of, what can we say, technology, because there were many people who were unable to get their education with the help of low financial issues, and they were not be able to continue their further educations. They need not to go anywhere, because if they have no financial issue they can go anywhere, but the person who have some financial issues and they don't have that much money or that much amount, they needed to go for their further educations out their town, so they can continue this with the help of their online classes only. They just need to recharge their phone with 200 or 300 per month only, and they will get the equal education how the person who have a lot of amount of money and he is financially fit, the education he is getting from any institution, he can also get that much, or I will say that the better education from him he can get that. Because if as we talk to students who are financially fit and they have lots of money, they will not study hard, because they don't have need to work a lot, because their parents have already lots of money, so they need not to earn, and they will think like we don't need to earn a lot, and we need not to study hard, so that they will get a lot of problems and they will not study too much. But the people who have financial issues and they are not able to go anywhere, so they will think that if we don't study then we will have to work, like we will have to work laborious work and all, so we have to study hard, that we will be able to gain that job, or we will be able to be a person who is people influencing nowadays. So this was all about the using of technology. There are also advantages and disadvantages also, as I said. Like, technology is not in the word big machines or big things. It starts with the basic things, like the work of our wells or our bore wells are getting completed in just few hours. But if we go to some time before, there were working in or around 1 month or 2 months, like big wells were not completed in few days or in few months, they were taking a lot of time. But now a time JCP and all these pokelanes can do this work with the help of the new technology in few hours or in few days. If we go to the industrial area, there were a lot of companies which were using the laborious work a lot, but nowadays they are using robots. If we talk to the technology in the field of medical field, then the robots are also doing a lot of works, like robots are doing the work of a surgeon specialist also, because they are that much intelligent and they have feed a lot of data, so that they can continue or they can do that operation and all these kind of things in a proper manner, and even they will not do any mistake like the doctors can do. But actually we know these are just robots, these are a feed of information, they are not humans, so we have to not believe them blindly. Nowadays some rumors are coming that the NASA will send the astronauts with robots, so that the robots will do the work of stuff work, like if there any problem in aircraft, the cleaning of solar plates on moon and all planets, so the robots will do these type of works, so that the astronauts need not to take care about their spacecraft and all these types of solar plates. They will just do their study there, and they will examine the data, they will take all type of samples they have to take, and the work of all works like cleaning the aircraft, and there were many problems in aircrafts also, so these all problems will solved with the help of robots. Robot will not collect data, but it will help in the stuffs, like I already told, that stuffs like that will clean the solar plates, so that there will be a proper electricity functions, and some mechanical problems will also be solved with the help of robots. So the astronauts need not to discuss about the problems, they will not waste their time in doing this type of stuff, they will only continue their researches on any planet like sun, moon, not sun, like moon, Mars, or all these planets. So the technology is improving in all kinds of fields, like in agriculture, in medical field, in NASA astronaut and all. So nowadays we can say that technology is dominating the society. It means there will be a day, it's not a rumor, that there will be a day on which humans will not write the robots, but robot will control us and we will be in the control of robots. So we don't know how is it true or false. So we have to think like we don't make them feel. Many scientists are working like they will make the robots feel. It means the feeling will be pulled in, input into them, so there will be less than human. They will not be able to just machine, they will like humans, because they will be able to feel, they can love, they can hate and all. Like we have seen a movie that's Robot, that already said all the things, like if robots start the feelings, then they can also harm us, and then they can also make us many problems. So this was all about this video. If we go to the field of like in web designings, there is a very good feature that come, that AI is, we can say, many websites can be created with the help of AI in just seconds. If we go to some years, like now the work of ChatGPT, we are also getting influenced with it. I also use it a lot, it does my a lot of work. And if we go to some years, like 5 year or 10 year before, the work of creating a website was too complicated and we needed a lot of people, a lot of good experienced people needed to create a website. But nowadays a simple website can only be created in some minutes with the help of ChatGPT. It means it is getting a lot of improvement in this field, also in fields like website and web developing all. So it is adversely affecting the employment of our Indians or in all our world, because the machines are dominating humans. So that's all about the video. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next video with another topic. Till then, bye bye.